In this exercise, we're given a matrix. I see it's 4 by 4, it's 4 rows, 4 columns. And this is concerned with the row space and column space, so review those concepts if you've forgotten them. We're going to find the basis and the dimension for the row space, and then the same thing for the column space. And after we've done that, the question is, what is the rank of this matrix? So we begin with the row space. And I just copied the matrix, and we're going to do row operations to try and bring it to echelon form. Start with the first column. We have a 0 here. We want 0 here. So we'll do twice this minus this, and here 4 times this minus this, as written here. That brings us to this. And now we want zeros below this 11. Well, we'll just add this row to this and subtract it from this. And after we do that, we have this with 2 rows of zeros. So just the first 2 rows are non-zero, and these are the 2 that provide us with the basis for the row space. Just 4, 1, 1, 5, just copy them. And yes, the dimension is just by counting 1, 2. Okay, next we move on to the column space.